Hello, everyone. I got a request for more polkas, and who can blame them? Because polkas are super fun. At the Irish Music Session, held in Belmont, Massachusetts, on the third Thursday of the month. So this is a set of polkas. We're going to start with the third of the set today, that I got from a woman named Cliodhna Fields, who teaches in the Boston area, and I've been teaching this to my youth students, and I love the set. Super full of energy and super fun. This last tune is called Nelly's Polka, and there is a 4-part version, so if you're super motivated, you can look that up after you learn this one. But we're going to stick with a 2-part version for now. And it is in A major. Sorry, whistles.